Alrighty. Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, cool.
Um,
Number one is true. At least for me.
Correct.
Alright, and what did you guys get for two?
I wanted to say ANOVA.
Huh?
ANOVA testing?
Nova.
Or would it be the samples because of United States and Korea? I wasn't sure on these.
And I was like, I wondered if it was D. I have no idea. Any other strong opinions?
I don't think it's ANOVA.
Okay, I don't think it is either because I think they're comparing the countries, right?
That's how I read it, was that it's comparing countries.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to pull up my summaries real quick of them all.
Yeah.
Wait, where is the summary of that? Oh, it's that Word document that you filled out, right?
There's that one, and then there's the summaries for our test.
Yeah.
The summary for our test?
Like when you pull up the review in the online, the ebook,
Right.
there'll be like click on the link at the right for a review of the summaries from each lesson.
Yeah.
Right, but where does it... I don't see where it says the different definitions.
Doesn't do any of the ones from the previous exam.
Oh.
Ones from the
Oh,
Yeah, you have to go back to the older
right.
reviews for those.
Educational. Would it be like the squared test of independence?
Why?
H, chi squared, I don't know.
The chi squared? Why though?
Oh, why? Guessing because it's... Well, I'm trying to decide between that one or the independent sample t-test.
Yeah.
Oh, D? I originally had it as D. But
Yeah.
then
I have it as independent sample.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I have it as D, but I'm looking over these again.
Just the way it's kind of worded, it makes it think like it's using the x squared test of independence. Like the last phrase, you want to determine if education level differs between managers of successful startup companies, differs between these two countries.
Let's see, where's the chi squared? But you're not testing for whether or not they're independent or not. 'Cause this isn't relating the two values at all.
Okay.
Is it?
I'm not sure. These are gonna
'Cause it's
kill
not-
me.
Well, because it's not saying like these people voted for this because they're Republican.
Okay.
That's the only way I was thinking of it as. That's how I was differentiating, but
For the independent.
yeah, and that's why I think it's D.
I think I will agree with you on that. I had it as G. Well, I had it as D and then I changed it to G because I wasn't sure
What's
But they
T?
aren't doing proportions, now that I think about it. Yeah. So I think that like the key set of words is one set of data versus the other set of data, basically, right? And then then they'll be independent of each other because it's two different countries, right?
Yeah. This is gonna be killer on this test.
I know. I'll agree with you on D though.
Right. Let's go to the next one.
Oh boy.
There's 10 of them.
I know.
Right.
Well, there's only like 7, really.
I
All right, human resources manager.
Is this one C?
Because it's dependent on the company that they're working at.
That's what I thought.
But your second group isn't the same subjects.
Oh.
You have one group that's 40 years old or younger, and then the other group is over 40.
Yeah, these are bad.
Do we get the answers back to this practice test?
I think so. It tells you right when we submit it.
Does it? Okay. I couldn't remember.
I'm thinking it's one proportion.
One proportion? Why is that?
You're taking the number of employees that were terminated over the number of employees that they took. You want to determine if both age groups were treated equally. So they're taking, so of the groups, they're taking the ones that were terminated and then the ones that weren't.
Yeah, but they're comparing how many were terminated that are under 40 to how many that were terminated that are over 40. That's what it means to see if the groups are treated equally. They're trying to see if more people are fired because they were older or not, basically.
But that could be a proportion though, right?
Yeah, but it's not. That's what I'm saying. You're not using one sample. Because you're going to have your young people, your total young people with the number fired over total young people versus number of old people fired over the total number of old people. And you're comparing those proportions.
So then, 2 proportion? Or which one are you saying?
Well, yeah, but is it paired or independent? Because I would initially say independent, but it's all based on the same company.
Yes, I don't think it's that.
and it's based on age, whether they're younger or older than 40.
I need to find my old notes that had definitions or examples of the tests. Because it explained the types of groups.
Oh, awesome.
It was one of our assignments at the very beginning. If I can find it. Of course, now that I need it, I won't be able to find it. Man, I don't know what happened to it. We'd probably go back to the lesson and find this stuff.
I'm thinking it's G then. So they have the two proportions.
Yeah.
Those that weren't terminated, but then that phrase afterwards, it says they also reported the number in each group who were terminated.
That's like the total group. Yeah. Okay.
So I think they're doing two separate proportions there, rather than that one proportion which I said earlier.
Yeah.
So much easier when they actually say the word proportion in the problem.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. That kind of gives it away, though. Makes it tricky, you know?
We all want the easy way.
Right.
We could move on and come back to it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right. 4. Survey.
Determine.
This is a one proportion, right?
Yeah, I have one sample t-test.
Oh, but they have the word proportion in there, though.
Oh.
Am I
That
wrong?
one proportion. Yeah,
Yeah.
I have F as well, Maria.
Okay.
So then, yeah, it's one. It's one sample either way.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, that one was
Okay.
easy.
By the way, is our hypothesis test that we're using with the Skittles a one proportion test? Since we're doing the total?
What did we change it to? I don't remember. I'll look after.
Okay,
I'm gonna
I have the study.
that's good. Okay.
I think it was. I think that was why I changed it, because I didn't want us to have to do an ANOVA.
Yeah.
Because it just would have been a bunch of data.
Okay. So compared the effectiveness of two different combination locks. And the locks true and false.
No, ours is an independent samples t-test. I'll explain why after, though.
Okay.
Number 5, let's see. Student project compared to effectiveness. Student was doing a combination.
Do you hear that?
Yeah,
I do.
someone's exploding.
It's my brain.
Yeah, these questions.
I'm so glad, though, that you guys struggle with this as well. I hate to say that, but it doesn't make me feel as dumb.
It's just hard to remember it because we like do it for 2 weeks, take a test, and then just zip through the next stuff.
Yeah.
And at the same time, I feel like you can support any one of these tests.
More than one, yeah.
It's just hard to find the best, and that's quotation marks, best.
Right.
So, I was guessing one sample t-test on this one. But I feel like I'm wrong.
I was saying one of the 2 sample tests, but I hadn't decided which.
What's the difference between the z-test and the t-test again?
Z-test?
Yeah.
Z-test, you know the standard deviation.
Okay, which we don't know for this, right?
Yeah.
Right.
We pretty much never do a Z-test.
Right.
They would have to specifically say in these situations that you know the standard deviation or give a standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, number 6. That was not in the,
I'm just thinking it's just a one sample t-test because each student, they just record the time it takes for them to open it.
But then you'd be comparing those times. Let's see
Of one sample. Right?
It's 2 samples. There's 2 types of locks. So you'd be comparing, is this lock faster than this lock?
Crap.
So my initial is independent sample t-test because the 2 locks are independent of each other.
Yeah. I would agree.
okay.
Trying to use this chart as I'm doing it and looking at like you go like mu1 compared to mu2 type thing, but even with that it's still hard.
Would it be a paired sample too, though? Because each student, it's still the same student that's doing each lock.
These are just intentionally tricky. I would say no because in all the paired samples we saw, you compared the results of 2 tests that were exactly the same.
Okay.
So it would be like pre-test, post-test type thing. Do they do better the second time on the same thing? And that'd be my argument for why not, but that's intentionally tricky because they threw it in like that. Yeah, and Maria's right. The next one's not in our practice.
Yeah. So it throws off our count even more. But is it E?
I haven't read it yet.
Oh.
Let's see, ANOVA, it's gotta be.
Right.
This is the only one where you can compare 3 means.
So on to 7 then, huh?
Yeah, what's a +4 confidence interval?
Is that because we have to use the plus and minus each time? Or there's 4 different... No, I don't know, actually.
Yeah, I'm just gonna say it's a normal confidence interval.
Yeah.
Because they don't call it that in the practice, the paper version.
Right.
I was just wondering what that was. Let's see. Two appraisers.
We said 7 right? Or are we on
No.
7?
We're on.
Oh. Guessing paired.
Paired?
Yeah, because each bank evaluates the 6, or the bank evaluates 6 properties that both the appraisers have.
Okay, I feel like we've had the specific question before. I was trying to find where.
There's one about the double stuffed Oreos. I remember that one.
Here, just a second. Let me open the right one. Oh, we can't look over a test. Yeah, I had it on unit 2. I'm pretty sure. Oh. I initially said paired also on that one.
Okay.
We agree on one. What?
Well, we agreed on number 6 as well.
True.
But I'm like
True.
I'm second guessing myself on all these now though.
No.
Okay, so let's guess.
Would this be an independent sample?
That's what I have.
Cool.
With the because the 2 majors aren't dependent on each other.
Right.
Does anyone else agree or disagree with that?
I have no idea on this one.
I agree with you.
I have independent sample also. It's dumb because actually, let's see. My only iffy thing about it is it's categorical. Isn't it?
Yeah, satisfied or very satisfied. So wouldn't that be that automatically goes to proportions, right?
That's what I thought.
Oh.
So then it would be to proportion if that's the case.
It would be F then. So tricky.
I think you're right, Tanner. Though.
Alright, so F then.
Probably. We're probably just gonna miss all of these.
She's like throwing in more questions on this thing than in our practice test. This is annoying.
I don't think that's true though, because it's less questions overall.
Oh, really?
They threw more of like
The hard
deciding which, the harder one, and then they took off some of the mathematical ones at the end.
Which is stupid. I'd rather have the math ones.
No,
Yeah.
those are so much better.
Yeah.
All right, O'Hare International. Their precision value on proportion.
So this is just one proportion, right? For 9? Because they're just using the O'Hara's. I don't know.
I was thinking independent, but
I
or is this another categorical thing?
was thinking it had to be a proportion. considering it said proportion in it.
Yeah, that's where I was going from too.
Design a study. Let's see. Average on time is 70%.
Yeah. I didn't see it.
Yeah, I think it's one proportion.
Good call.
Yay!
I think there's a lot of trick words in these.
Yeah.
Pick out.
Twice the filling.
Estimate the true filling amount.
Is it C?
I have B.
B?
Yeah. Because the way I read this question is they're not comparing it to the regular Oreos yet. They have to get a mean for the stuff before they can even do that.
Okay.
I'm just calling poorly worded questions on all these.
Go with it.
Alright, I think we're done with those terrible questions then.
Maybe.
Okay.
I'm only going
11,
to go back to them, but
11 has definitely been on our test and homework.
Right.
And so is 12.
it was on her test. I missed 11 on her test.
I missed it on the homework, and then I
It's
actually
definitely
found it in the homework. And yeah. So
Probability of committing a type 1 error, right?
yes.
Probability of committing a type
Okay.
1 error.
Yeah, I missed it on the last test.
Okay.
Right. All
And
confident now.
Value is B, right?
Yes. Work stream. And the one actually obtained.
Okay.
For 12.
13, yeah, 13 is
C?
D as in dog, right?
Oh, I thought it was C. Wait.
13?
Yeah. If it's
I get
talking about
D.
a confidence interval,
I
like,
missed this one before.
if it's ever talking about a confidence interval, it never is meaning like there's a 95% chance of anything.
She said the word, the cast word in statistics is what she told me
Huh. Okay, so 13 is D then.
when I went over the last test.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, she said if you ever see the word chance, just throw that answer out in statistics.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It's like a swear word, apparently.
Oh, wait, yeah, it's supposed to be we are 95% confident. That's right. I remember that now. Okay.
But that's what it says in the question.
Right. Number 14.
14 is just 0.30.
Yep. What does your mean SP?
Yep.
Yeah, we agree on math ones.
Yeah. And then standard deviation we actually calculate.
Alright.
I had
You use that nice little program, right?
I actually did this one by hand.
Is this where you use the
Right,
nice
right.
little Excel? Oh, you did.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I just used the Excel program on it. Because I don't have any work written in.
Did you
So
get
what formula did you
0.046?
use? Sorry. Which
What?
one formula did you use for this one again?
Oh, formula. So if you go to the less than 16 recap, it's the formula square root of p times 1 minus p
Okay.
over n.
Okay.
And
You end up getting?
0.046.
Yeah.
Is that a yeah? I
I'm
got that.
trying to
Or
remember.
yeah.
Yeah, I got it. I was trying to rework it on the chart.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I get. Because you just make a sample of 30 out of 100. That's all you do on the chart.
And then 13. Oh, dang it. I was looking at the
Yeah,
our
16.
review. Yeah. I had .138 on that one.
That's not what I had.
No.
Did you work this by hand?
Yes, because there's the
Did you work it by hand?
yeah, because I did the p hat minus p over your standard deviation.
What's
That
your p hat?
the p value, the p hat value is the .25.
So you have 0.25 minus 0.3. What's the rest of the formula?
And then divided by that standard deviation of the previous one. So if you're rounding it, then it's .046.
Oh.
Which I didn't round it the first time, but I don't have it.
Why is this program giving me the wrong thing then?
Well, that gives you the z-score, and then you put the z-score in.
Yeah, but the program gives you the p-value also. Oh, z-score. So this is z-score. Let me look real fast. Normal probability applet, so it's 0.876.
So really fast, what number did you put down for p hat for that one?
Well, this isn't p.
Wait, what? Grant?
P hat is .25, and then minus the .3.
Okay.
Wait, what'd you get? So you did
For
0.25 minus 0.3
yeah,
divided by 0.046.
to find the z-score, and then you put the z-score in, and then just one tail of the left, and I got .138.
So your z-score is like negative 1.08-ish.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And your one tail was, yeah. I'm trying to figure out why this is giving me a different z-score. Null hypothesis.
You just put it into the one proportion thing.
Yeah.
What was your null hypothesis? The .30.
My null should be 0.30 and my sample should be 0.25, or the other way around. Or my sample should be 25. Give me 1.0. Yeah, that's what it is. I switched those. I had a sample of 30 and a null of 25.
Okay.
And it's supposed to equal 100, right?
Yeah, if you use that.
Oh.
I might just do those by hand to be safe on the test.
Yeah, I would just write down those formulas, because I'm sure there'll be one like that.
Yeah.
And then you shade one tail, right? Because it's less than the 25?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then.
Alright, like halfway. P. I see. I had all these in my.
What? Apparently my answer was wrong because it's not even an option.
What's yours?
I originally had E, but that's not an option on here.
Yeah, I think the numbers are slightly off. Because I got the same thing, and this one is what? Negative 0.004.
Yeah, but that was an option also on the original. Because this one, let's see, this one you can use the 2 proportion thing, right? Grant?
Yeah. That's because that's what I use.
Okay, so when I use the 2 proportion, your N1 is 2140. No, your N1's 1563, right?
Yep.
And your X1 is
61.
no 61, and your X2 is 15, and your N2 is 579.
Yeah. And there's no way we'd be messing that up. I'm guessing it was just a mistake. So I'm gonna put the .004 and then .029.
Well, yeah, because wait. So what was your type of test? Did you use not equal to?
Well, I don't think the type of test would change the confidence interval, would it?
No, but I'm actually getting negative .004 now. That's what I'm confused by.
I changed my type of test and it does nothing. What the heck?
Oh, you're right. Type of test shouldn't change the
Are
confidence
you
interval.
using that Excel sheet right now?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me pull that up.
Yeah, and I'm actually getting negative .004 this time. But I swear I didn't get that the first time.
Oh boy.
And you have 61, 50, 15, 63, 15, and 579.
Yep, and confidence level of 0.95.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
I still get the same thing.
What'd you get?
A negative 0.003.
I'm
And then-
getting negative 0.004.
And this is the problem with this class.
Let me.
I swear I got that the first time.
Okay, so you're using the 2 proportions one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And X1 is
Close that into it.
X1. Three.
It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. I'm just going with it because it's closest to the answer I have.
Well, except I'm actually getting that answer now.
Yeah, and now you got it, so.
But that doesn't make any sense.
So, let's see.
I have no idea.
Which one is it? Which one did you guys get?
See?
Negative. Huh. Wait, and then the type of test is the does not equal, right?
Yeah, but the type of test doesn't even change the confidence
Oh, that's
interval.
right.
It just changes your p-values.
And you guys got C, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm going with it. Steve, are you still there?
Oh, mine's like a point. .003. Is that what you guys were?
That's what I originally got. And
Yeah.
but now when I do it, I'm getting .004.
Like when you put it into the Excel sheet, now you get that?
Yeah, I'm wondering if there's two different Excel sheets.
What? That's so weird.
Let me look.
Okay. Because I'm getting that negative .003 as well.
Yeah. Let's just go with negative
Yeah.
.004.
Yeah, let's do that one. One of the
Where's-
answers is right.
So give me the numbers real fast, Grant. It's
So from top to
61,
bottom, 61, 15, 63, 15,
15.
and 579.
They have an issue in their Excel sheets. There's two different sheets.
Really?
Yeah, there's one called Categorical Data Analysis 221B and Categorical Data Analysis HAT SPSS.
I'm using the SPSS one.
And if you use the SPSS one, you get .003.
Huh. That's
But if
weird.
you
Because I'm
If you
using the
use the
hat one
other
as
one.
well.
but if you use the other one, you get their answer.
That's weird. So what's that other file name called?
It's just Categorical Data Analysis 221B. That doesn't make any sense though. Because the one that I'm using doesn't have the... I don't know, it just has less stuff on it. Wait. No, it has more. It has like the +4 estimates and that stuff also.
Huh.
I
All right.
don't know. I don't know what to say about that.
Okay. Number 18.
Head B.
B.
That's what I had. Did Steven die? Are you here, Steven? Did Steven cut out?
I don't think so. It still shows that he's here.
Yeah, are you here, Steven?
I just can't hear him.
Hello?
Oh, there he is.
There you are.
We were wondering if you were alive still.
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, sorry. I was talking, I guess. No wonder you weren't responding to me.
Yeah, we couldn't hear you.
Alrighty. For 19 and
Comes
20,
early.
for 19 and 20, we're in the same boat, depending on which Excel sheet we use. But for 19, I got D.
Same.
20, I got D.
Same.
Yeah.
So, and then 21, I got E.
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys get on?
Yep.
Alrighty. And then,
See, this is how they should form those questions, and we get it right every time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I got A on 22.
Yeah, that's what I got.
And you use SPSS for it?
Yeah.
Okay. And you did that funky thing that you showed me last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just gotta find my notes and write down my instructions for that.
Right. It's the more you weight cases and then. Okay.
so hot. I forgot how to do 22.
Yeah, so
Just putting it into the. I think I just need to look up in my notes how I did it.
you do like a morning person. Morning person. Before.
You want to pick something, please?
Okay.
So are you doing only 2 rows in SCSS? The first row being 4 lines of M and 4 lines of E representing morning and evening people, and then the second row is the numbers, right? Do I make a row for the ages?
Yeah, you have to make a row for the ages still.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so we like
Your third row will be the numbers.
okay, so we 18 and then 30. Does it matter if it's numerical?
No.
Okay. 65. Seven. Okay, so now I need to go back to that lesson. So I do the data and then I weigh the cases. And I weight it by the third variable, the numbers, right? Age.
Yeah.
Okay. And analyze descriptive statistics.
Crosstabs.
And then I put in variable 1 for rows, variable 2 for column.
Yeah, and then
It
make
doesn't
sure
matter. I can
that you have
switch in
chi
and out.
squared.
No.
T square. Are you getting it, Steven, or?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, cool.
it's fine.
Okay.
The cells, don't you push expected as well?
You're cutting out again, Steven.
Okay, for counts, can you hear me now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
For counts, do you do observed and expected?
What?
Okay.
I lost track of which one we were on.
I think we're on 23.
Okay. I went ahead and just put in all the ones. I didn't have to keep looking back and forth. And then I forgot which one we were actually on.
So,
Jeez.
what'd you guys get for 23?
0.087.
I must have done it wrong.
Well, did anybody else get something different, or is that?
Let me look.
No,
Well,
that's what I got.
Okay, yeah, my p-value is like non-existent. Dang it.
What do you mean?
It's not like it's 0.000. Of course, I didn't get the same test statistic as you guys either. So I must have done something wrong.
Did you check chi square on your thing?
Oh, sweet. I got
Yeah.
the other thing.
But I'll double check. Yeah, chi-square in there. And then rows is variable 1,
Well,
column is
well,
variable 2,
chi-square.
right?
Yeah.
For 22, you guys got 6.58, correct?
You're cutting out again.
Yes, they did
So
get
what'd you
that.
say?
Yeah,
22 is
6.58.
6.58?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe my headphones just suck.
And sometimes we all talk at the same time too, and that doesn't help.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I'll just have to figure it out. Let's just keep going so that we aren't here all night.
Yeah.
24, no, the p-value is greater than 0.05.
Yeah.
0.05. Yeah.
So then 25, no, I fail to reject.
Okay.
Man, this test is gonna suck. Alright, guys.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to taking it tonight.
Yeah, I was gonna take it tonight. I'm getting tired. Alrighty.
I just don't have any other time to.
I know. Ugh, I don't know. Okay.
26.
Okay, let us know what you get on that Excel sheet, because I think this is another one where the answers are slightly off.
And it'll be like a 1 proportion, right?
Yes.
Okay, so for
Wait, so did you do them all by hand this time?
No, I did the Excel sheet when it was talking about the proportion.
okay,
Oh.
for
What problem is this on our actual thing here?
23 is the review. What is?
Oh, okay. I remember where.
So for let's see, for X, what did you put down for X? Is that 50?
N is your total, X is how many were in, or how many they took.
Okay, and then N is the 200.
Yep.
X? No, N's the number they took.
264 and his is 640.
Wait,
Oh
wait.
yeah, you're right. Sorry, I mixed that up.
Oh, okay. 50, 200.
Does this perform better?
Okay. Confidence level 0.95, and then the null hypothesis is 0.2 because it's 20%. I'm not really sure on that one. Or there's the null hypothesis, is that still 0.15?
Yeah. It's 0.2.
It is 0.2?
It's
Okay.
0.2.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay.
Yeah, so I originally had C, but now I'm getting, wait, yeah, so I get C on here, 0.195 and 0.315. I originally had 0.190 and 0.310.
That's what I originally had.
What type of test did you guys do?
But that's not even,
Sorry.
It's just the regular one sample proportion.
Oh, what? Yeah, but is it it's the not equal to, right? The type of test underneath null hypothesis?
It won't really matter
Oh, okay.
which one for the confidence interval. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
yeah, but it'd be greater than, because it says outperforms.
Yeah.
Did you guys get C on that?
Yeah.
Yeah, C's what I'm getting. I'm feeling like we're gonna have to use this one. Someone should probably alert her that they're wrong. That one of the things is wrong.
Yeah, the SPSS version of it like doesn't even like this. question. It's like putting down a problem with a number used in the formula. I don't know. So I'll just exit out of it and try to find the other one.
It works fine for me.
Oh,
Even if I
really?
use the other one, I just get different numbers. Yeah.
So you put 200 for X, 50 for N, 0.95 for
No,
what?
no, you have those switched. You have those switched.
Oh,
N will always be your larger number.
oh,
Little
okay.
train in Rexburg. Oh.
Yeah, the confidence interval is definitely wrong. Okay, sorry. So number C. Okay. Wow. Oh, train.
Like the train? Yeah.
I lived by that train for a year.
Yep. Me too.
Okay, so are we doing 27?
Yeah. What downside would you be needed to construct a margin of error of 2%?
B.
I got B.
You just use the margin of error formula for that.
Yeah, it's on the last
Right.
recaps.
Okay.
28C.
Yeah.
E.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How many measurements must you have?
Say that again, Stephen.
Oh, I was just
29C
reading it.
also.
Well, it would be C as well. Greater
Okay.
than or equal to 10.
Right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Uh,
30 is 1.768.
Yeah.
And then p-value is 0.077.
See, I think you got to make sure that you only do one tail
Yeah.
Oh,
because it's just asking one of
If
them
they
performs better than
outperform.
the other.
So
oh
better.
right, because it is one tail. Dang, that crap gets me.
Yeah. So it's the right tail is shaded, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So it's
0.039.
0.039.
Yep.
Mm.
Well, two of the p-values on there aren't even possible, so
Yeah.
you can't have it go over one.
Yeah.
So what did you guys get for 30 again? It was the 1.768? No, that's the test statistic, my bad.
Yeah.
The p-value.
0.039.
Okay.
And then 32 is yes. I rejected.
Yes, I reject.
Okay. Apparently my
I'm trying to
computer
decide if I really want to.
submit it.
No, if I really want to go back and look at these other ones or not. I'm trying to decide.
Well,
We missed a lot of them.
we did.
Did anyone submit it?
I haven't.
I'll do it. I'll submit it. Oh, I can't submit it. What? No. Why is this not doing this? My internet crashed. All right, this day just got better. Someone else has to submit it. My gosh.
Are you gonna have to redo them all or no?
No, I've been keeping track this whole time.
That's good.
But I just really the whole day has been this way. So, yep.
Hey, I have a real quick question on 13. You guys got D, correct? D as in dog.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, okay, we got an A minus. Wait, I must submit.
What did we miss?
Complete this activity. Saving is not submit.
Hannah wants to
So,
quit.
apparently we got number 2 wrong.
Number 2?
Yeah, we got number 2 wrong, but it doesn't give me the right. Doesn't give me the right
Doesn't give you the right answer.
Yeah. So number 2 we got wrong, and that's confusing. Sorry. And then we got,
So we got
5 wrong, and 21, and that's it.
21. What was 21?
21.
21 was I didn't know I failed to accept. Oh wait, oops. I think I
Yeah, it's failed to reject.
checked. Right.
So it's just 2 and 5 then.
5.
We both thought they were independent sample t-tests.
Well, 2, I was thinking it was H was the only one that we.
Just
I
thinking
think
it was what?
H, the chi squared. I'm gonna try it,
Okay.
and then I'll let you know. And then 5.
And 5. Which question was 5? Oh, so this is 4 on the
The combination
paper
of
version.
Oh, the locks one. Ugh. But wait.
I'm gonna go with paired then.
Okay, let me know which one it is. So I'm gonna put that in my notes.
Sweet,
You want-
yeah. We were both right on. 2 is H and 5 is C.
Maybe. You gonna try it,
It's 100.
Grant?
Yeah,
Is
it
it?
was.
Yay!
Yeah. 2 is H, 5 is C.
2 was H, 5 was just. I would argue otherwise on 5, but whatever.
Yeah, I agree. Goodness. Hey, we did better on those than I thought, though.
Yeah, good job, guys. Good job.
Yeah, no kidding.
That was a little intense.
Okay, so we're gonna do our.
Our group meeting right now.
We're gonna compile our data now.
Yeah. Did you get my email, Tanner?
So long. Yeah, I didn't open it though.
It's all good. Because she said that we had to submit in the form or whatever, so I just did it just in case. I don't know.
Had to submit what?
Submit our personal data in the form that she gives us, collect the data.
Yeah,
Is
that.
Is that your job or?
Yeah, so that form would. Yes. Oh no, we all have to personally do that.
Oh, okay.
For this one, we all have to submit our own stuff. So you have that form.
Yeah.
What was it called? Collect the data.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So basically, you answer the 3 questions based on your own data, and then we're gonna add the group cumulative to that right now.
Really fast, what is the research question? Just, are there more greens in the green Skittles? Or
I would just copy it from the design of data that Tanner did.
okay.
Mhm.
Let's look. Here's my thing. I want to change the wording on it now. Because my original question was, are the proportion of green Skittles between snack size Skittle bags and share size Skittle bags equal, or small and large bag? But I want to change the word proportion now.
Okay.
Okie dokie.
So, okay, Maria, how about you start? So, how many green Skittles were in your 2.17 ounce bag?
18 out of 45.
Goodness.
Yeah.
That was twice the amount I had.
No
Really?
kidding.
I know, seriously.
Really? I guess
Yeah.
the Skittles are greener on this side of the hill. Alrighty, that was super cheesy. 14-ounce bag was 70 out of 380.
That's close to. That's actually really close to what I got.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, my big bag was way more than my small bag.
Huh.
Weird.
Yeah.
So you had 70 out of 380?
Yeah, 70 out of 380. Am I supposed to be like collecting all of your guys' data, or why are we doing this right now?
Yeah. Yeah, because we've got a... Who's in charge of collect the data? Is that you, Steven?
Yeah, I'm describing the data.
Describing the data. We're all in charge of collecting the data.
Okay.
Then I'm in charge of making the PowerPoint, and
But
I
yeah,
took...
we...
Oh, sorry.
Maria, what was yours again?
Yeah,
I'm making the PowerPoint. I'll make it really pretty, you guys. I'll make it all like rainbowy and like, you know.
You can refrain from the rainbow.
lots of pictures of Skittles.
I took so many pictures of my Skittles. You guys are gonna hate it / love it.
Just start out the PowerPoint with
I
like.
had a bunch of little bowls.
Just start out the
In the picture, I had a
PowerPoint.
bunch of little bowls with them all.
What were you saying, Grant?
Just start out the
That's all
PowerPoint with
sorted.
the Skittles ad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
so that was mine.
So,
You only had 45 Skittles in your 2.1 ounce bag.
Yeah.
You got way ripped off. That's way out of the standard deviation.
Really?
Yeah, you should have anywhere from 55 to 61. I actually looked that up on their website.
Really? Wait a
Yeah.
second. Add 8. Did I not add 18 to the 45? I thought I did. You're making me question myself now. 18. That gives me 63 if I actually add all the greens in with the rest of the colors. Dang it, now
63 would be closer to the standard deviation, but it would still be out of the standard deviation.
Really? Huh. Well, I'm just going to stick with my first answer. It was a
That's
tiny
fine.
bag. Like, I just grabbed the first bag, but I remember thinking, like, man, I thought these were bigger than what they used to be.
Where did you grab them? Did you grab them from like the
Target.
cashier?
Target.
Like
Just
where-
like from the check stand.
Yeah, from the check stand. Yeah.
Yeah, that's probably the right one then.
Yeah. Like, it's definitely,
Okay.
yeah. It was a really small pouch, but I don't know, like, I just thought, well, maybe I'm older now, and that's why it looks a lot smaller.
hey Maria,
Okay.
can
Did
you
I
repeat
completely
your
ruin,
password,
like,
please?
did I, like, completely ruin our data, though?
No, it's fine.
Okay,
Maria,
cool.
can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you repeat how many green you had in each again?
Sure.
Sorry.
In the smaller one, I
Uh-huh.
had 18 out of 45.
Okay.
And
And
then
then
the
the
bigger
third one?
one, I had 70 out of 380.
Okay.
Yeah, yours will be a big skew though, because you're saying that 40% of the Skittles were green. Does that sound right?
I'm looking at the pictures that I took right now. So I took pictures of the bags.
Did you count your other colors?
Yeah, I did.
What are your counts on your other colors?
Oh, no, I didn't do that. Sorry. I already threw the bag away for that.
Yeah, because Wait, because that percentage is that you have 40% of your Skittles are green. That would actually be a major skew.
Because there's 5 colors in there.
Yeah.
I got more or less 18 to 20%.
Yeah, I think I didn't add the 18 to the 45.
So it should
Because
be at 63.
Yeah, I just counted like as many Skittles as I could see in the bag, you know? And
Yeah.
I was able to
Okay.
count 45 Skittles, and there's more that I know I couldn't count. So there's definitely more than 45.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's got to be out of the 63 then, which puts you in a more normal range. You still have
Okay.
you still have a high percentage, but it's more normal.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so 63 then.
What about you, Grant?
So I had 7 for the 2.17 ounce bag, 7 green Skittles out of 59.
Wow.
7 out of 59.
Yep.
And the big?
And then the big was 72 out of 388.
Hey, I had 388 in mine.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. Came from the same factory.
Probably. All right, and then what about you, Tanner?
Let's see. For my small bag, I had 11 out of 61.
Okay.
And for my large bag, I had 92 out of 388.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I was like, it was a lot more.
Yeah. You had 20 more green apple flavored Skittles than I did.
Wow.
Well, I didn't want those. I wanted the lime ones.
I know.
Yeah.
And then for mine, for my small, I got 10 out of 55.
Yeah.
And then the big, 66 out of 330.
Man, you got gypped out and gypped 50 Skittles.
I know, right?
Yeah, I think I had
Okay, so our totals.
Hello? Oh.
Yeah.
Still here?
Six, 663 plus. So did you do the small bags?
Yeah, I got 39 out of 179.
Whoa. Okay. Not
Wait
what I
a
got.
second. Wait, you guys
I'll
are
read
adding
that.
all the
Oh,
green
Yeah,
Skittles.
sorry, I forgot to add my own.
Yeah. So it's like 46, right?
That probably makes sense.
Yeah,
I got 46 out of 238.
yeah, that's right.
So
Sorry.
you get. Okay. Okay. The other one. I demand a refund, Steven. I got like
Right?
50 more Skittles than you.
You're gypping
That's
me
like
out
a
of
whole
my
small
thing.
bag worth.
Seriously.
Yeah.
72 plus 66.
Must have got the bottom of the barrel. There are a lot of
But
broken pieces in there.
They'll be like, no one will ever notice. Ha ha.
That was what I put as my that's like situations you didn't anticipate. I was like, I had these weird deformed Skittles that I was trying to decide if I should count or not.
Yeah, I had a couple of them too, and I decided to count them.
I did also.
Yeah, I
Okay.
counted them.
Yeah.
All
So
Skittles
for
are
the-
created equal.
If it had a color on it, I counted it.
Yeah. For the large bag, did you guys get 300 out of 1486?
Yep.
Okay.
Which, like, once we do, like, the proportion of that, like, it actually comes out pretty close.
Are they gonna end up being pretty much the same?
Yeah, I got, like, 0.193 for the small and then 0.202 for the
Yeah.
big.
We're
It's
just,
like
we're
1%.
gonna we're gonna end up failing to reject the H nut. That's fine though.
As long as we prove it, we'll be good.
If you buy one bag, you're gonna get gypped, but
I want you a 1 in 4 chance at getting 50 less Skittles.
that would have been a better one.
Which equation did you guys use for this one? Was it or how'd you end up getting the 0.193?
What'd you say?
Oh, which equation did you guys use?
You just take your total green divided by your total.
Oh, sorry, I haven't done that yet. Okay. I sound like such an idiot. Oh, gosh.
That's all it is.
Okay.
When do we have to turn this into her?
The collect the data is just by the end of the week.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, this
So
is by
that-
Saturday.
Is there anything else that we need to do as a group?
And then I don't think so. The describe the data is your part. So our test is an independent samples t-test because we're comparing the percentage of the small bag. I almost want to say that it's actually is this actually a two-sample proportion? Because we're comparing the proportion in the small bags total to the proportion in the big bags total.
I would have thought it was a proportion, the two proportions.
That's what I'd say it is probably is the two proportion test.
We got an 80% chance that we're right because
we didn't know
I
about.
got 10 on those on the group review.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
And
two
you can-
proportions.
Yeah, and you can send her your drafts thing beforehand and have her read over it. I did that on Design the Study, and she was fine with that.
Oh, okay, I'll probably go ahead and do that.
Yeah, as long as you give it to her a couple days early, she was fine with that.
Okay,
Cool.
cool.
Okay.
Well,
So,
good luck, you guys.
We don't have to meet till next Monday, right?
Oh, wow.
No.
I'll miss you guys so much.
Yeah, I'm like, there's no other lesson this week,
Wow, that sounds so nice.
so we'll just plan on meeting next Monday.
Yes,
Yep,
next Monday,
good.
6:30.
Okay,
Sounds good. See you guys.
Bye.
Yeah.
sounds good. See ya.